Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. Joe Perry, a cryptocurrency expert, has shed light on the reasons why XRP's value might experience a dramatic surge, potentially jumping by a factor of 10. Perry just made a video in which he outlined 5 key points supporting his optimistic forecast for Ripple's XRP. Throws XRP's price surge into question. Perry identifies the seductive settlements resolution as the primary cause, describing it as a dark cloud that, once addressed, has the potential to dispel uncertainty and drive the price of XRP upward. If the settlement terms are greater than expected, Perry still sees it as a positive development because the market hates ambiguity. The second reason is that it could cause ripples in the market for an initial public offering. If the legal ramifications of an initial public offering (IPO) are clarified, exchanges may opt to relist XRP, setting the stage for regulation of the cryptocurrency and creating a positive climate. Crypto law is the third component. According to Perry, XRP has the potential to beat other coins in the market if there is market-wide legal certainty, which may be achieved through a presidential decree or an action by Parliament. Institutional adoption is the center of the fourth reason. According to Perry, more and more family offices and retirement plans will start using XRP as an investment vehicle as Bitcoin ETFs gain traction and investors diversify their holdings. Perry concludes his discussion of the cryptocurrency industry's potential for growth by addressing the fifth and last issue, the impending Bitcoin halving schedule. At its present price of around 50 cents, XRP might be considered a lucrative investment in this scenario. Perry acknowledges the potential short-term pump that an XRPO could offer, but he expresses long-term worries about liquidity. He notes that XRP's total liquidity might be impacted by an IPO, as funds could be moved from XRP tokens to Ripple Labs shares. Perry closes his research by predicting that 2024 might be a significant year for XRP, with prices potentially reaching $2. Regardless, a tenfold spike might be too bullish. So, let's go into the realm of XRP and its prospective prognosis for the next 1 to 5 years. He wants us to talk about how much the XRP coin is expected to cost and what the future holds for cryptocurrencies in general. Here, I'm proceeding with caution. Believe me when I say this, we have never been here before. Hold on tight, because I think the numbers we're about to look at will succeed where others have failed. The answer is obvious. We will examine the daily trading volume and market capitalization, because when we speak numbers, we talk facts, and there is no denying the hard math. Although this may appear less important in a utility market cap-driven environment, it is still worth considering if you have been holding XRP for a while or are considering moving some funds from more conventional savings vehicles like mutual funds. Furthermore, compared to more conventional investing options, the potential profits from the crypto market's meteoric rise are much higher. There is no turning back now that the crypto era has begun. The increase is expected to be unstoppable. Now that we've established that we need to focus on the next 1 to 5 years, we can do that by looking at 3 XRP price milestones that, if not achieved, honestly, contradict logic. However, that should not mislead you. With the entire cryptocurrency market valued at $1 trillion right now, my faith is well-founded. A quick estimate puts the price at $20, $40, or possibly $50 trillion in the near future. You not only get your money back, but you also walk away with a nice $10,000 profit in this hypothetical scenario, where horizon isn't just hopeful, it's practically assured. However, with the substantial sum of $160,000 working for you, you are still very much in the game. To make sure that everyone gets a cut, this tactic works with any currency, US dollars, Canadian dollars, or British pounds. Now we may discuss a number that could make your coffee more enjoyable if Sharpie reaches $10. The $110,000 your starting stake of $18,000 has the potential to grow to $188,600. Every day, XRP trades at a volume of $185 billion, according to Fortune. I am sure you are accurate. It may be stretching things to suggest that $85 billion is just the beginning of the Bitcoin industry's value. I want to thank everyone who is just now tuned into my channel. It makes complete sense when put in context. feel free to give it a thumbs up if this video leaves you in awe. If you read up on my most recent assessments, you'll see why XRP's 700 billion market cap isn't fantasy. Instead, it's not far-fetched as we speculate on XRP reaching 20. In this thrilling scenario, your $10,000 investment would now be worth an astounding $377. Please consider this. You can profitably remove your $10,000 investment plus an extra $30,000 once XRP reaches those high milestones, leaving the remaining funds to grow in your portfolio. Now is the time to explore new opportunities. Perhaps one of your goals is to open a store, another is to invest in property, or both. Remember that taxes are not deducted, so you might want to do the math to find out how much money you made after taxes. Get ready for a whopping $370 billion in daily XRP trading volume with this $20 price increase. Indeed, that figure might cause you to stop. With a market worth of $1.04 trillion, $370 billion is only another day at work in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. It may feel like we're entering a fantastical realm, but any questions about XRP's ability to surpass these benchmarks, and even more so when looking forward with the most cautious forecasts within a 1 to 5 year timeframe, will be immediately apparent. If XRP were to reach $50, your $10,000 investment would grow into a staggering $940,000. You are presented with choices now. Imagine a daily trading volume of 925 billion XRP, which would push the market cap to an incredible $3.05 trillion. XRP would become the basis for innumerable transactions across hundreds of currencies around the world. With $10,000 out, you could get $100,000, or you could let a substantial $8 million or more continue to work its magic for the next few years. In terms of real-world applications, the XRP ledger offers limitless potential. Please know how much you mean to me, even if you disagree with this perspective, and that you will be sincerely remembered in my prayers. There has never been a better chance to enter the market at such a low price. You would have thought I would have acted on this 6 years ago, but I haven't. Well done to the many wise investors who have been steadily raising their shares in them during that time. Those who waited to act will undoubtedly flood search engines and video platforms with queries for information about pricing they previously regarded outrageous when XRP achieves those $110, $30, and 50 cents benchmarks. This will cause a backlash. As a depressing lesson, it shows how our myopic views might influence our decisions. Recall the fervor that surrounded the Runa during its meteoric rise to $1.70. In spite of the speculation, the genuine character of the cryptocurrency market was on full display when enthusiasts like Mike Novogratz immortalized the event. Practicality has been a constant point of neglect since its beginnings. A previously unimaginable level of unfettered cross-border wealth transfer was intended by the developers of XRP, who aimed to build a unified financial environment that would connect economies around the world. The gradual rise in XRP value can be explained by this drawn-out and tedious vision. To those who are wondering why XRP's value hasn't skyrocketed all of a sudden, I thank you. One must comprehend the scope and intricacy of the endeavor at hand. Because there are a lot of people with a stake in this. Almost no wiggle space exists. The objective, then, is to succeed the very first time. This is more than simply a digital asset. It's an investment in a revolutionary plan to change the face of international banking. A fundamental shift in our monetary system is about to take place, and it will be utterly revolutionary. A change of this magnitude will take time. We are witnessing the progressive supplanting of an antiquated paradigm by a more modern one. Please like and subscribe as always. See you soon, bye.